Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Sleeping Dogs. It's Spooky Gamer here, and let's see what were we doing last time. Let's see. Oh yeah, we put down Dog Eyes. Let's see. The next mission is over. Where is it? It is. Where the hell is it? Oh, way over here. Intensive care. Okay, that's the I believe we need to go see Uncle Poe. I think. What's the Wheels of Fury though? Well, I think all the cop stuff is done, so that's all we have left to do, really. Alright, let's go.
So much to explain, Mrs. Bao. I'm just not the man for the job.
What man for a job? I don't need you for a job.
Did you
I
hear?
Tell me
Oh,
I
yeah,
was
oh, yeah.
arrested.
Yes, I need a call. Let me see. I gotta fix my TV here. Let's see. We're going to drive this bad. Well, let's see. Wait. Yeah, we're going to drive this.
You go enjoy yourself.
Not red. That's fine. Okay, let's get going here.
What can I do for you?
Nothing. You already did. Oh shit. That turn could have went better. For some reason we always go under this bridge. Always. I don't know what you just said. It's okay. Oh shit. Well, at least that fence stopped me. And we'll just ride in this lane. Oh shit, ow! Thanks for messing up my car. Oh shit. Don't worry, Uncle Poe, we're coming to see you. I think. Oh, oops. Oh, there goes my... What is that? You watch it. Oh shit. Good thing I'm not on a mission yet. And this place is just so crowded.
You want a punk bun? Mine are hard.
Yeah, I don't want hard stuff.
Learn to drive, buddy.
Hi guys.
The little sister asked me if I will score.
Don't attack me.
For her. That's wrong. Maybe. Deal.
Boop. Okay.
Hi.
Serious?
Where's this guy?
Wait! Get down here!
Jesus, Ricky, what's happening?
It's the 18K! They're all
What's
over
this?
the damn place! They're trying to kill Uncle Poe!
Shit.
Get in the car. Let's go away. We gotta go save Uncle Poe. Damn these 18K. Whoops. Alright. Oh shit.
fuck is Uncle Po?
I don't know.
We don't know.
Where the fuck is Uncle Po?
He's over there.
You tattletale. Okay.
Who's that asshole?
Ah.
Hey, ugly. Tell me before I shoot your face off.
You're gonna shoot my face off? For some reason, I just don't see that happening.
打出嚟啊！喐佢！今次打殘佢哋。我拳頭我自己都驚，殘廢。上！
Take that, you
打老味
dipshit.
揾你老母啊！仆街！上！打到佢殘廢。就佢皮啊！
Headshot. Give me some health back. Take a minute to have a little sippy sip of drink here. Do 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 do. There we go. All right.
Hey, check out that
shit.
guy. He looks like one of them.
Boom. Headshot. Oh shit. Sorry, lady. Hope you're okay.
睇下你有冇命行出去。
你小心啲啊！唔好走火啊！我哋有事慢慢傾，唔使攞槍咁大件事㗎。
上！
你要咩我都俾你啊！你放手啦！鞋啊！
Come on, pop up.
爆佢啊！
Ha.
同我打撚死佢！
做咗咩有啲咁嘅報應啊！你要咩我都俾你啊！你要唔要呢對鞋啊？我做咗咩有啲咁嘅
We got a glitch here.
我就快打開度！佢冇料到㗎！揼撚隻狗啊！嚟啊嚟啊！睇撚見你個撚樣，我唔撚順眼啊！睇佢試啊！你死撚硬啊！嚟啊嚟啊！我搞掂你啦！
There we go.
睇撚見你個撚樣，我唔撚順眼啊！
Yeah, just stand there like an idiot.
嗱，投降我就放過你，而家揼柒你啊！先！
Goodbye. Goodbye. Can I hit him from here? Let's see if I can hit him from here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pop out. Boop. Oh, sort of. Oh, come on. Wait, you can shoot better than that. Come on. Okay.
你放手啦！
There we go.
放我啦！放我啦！放手啦！你放手啦！
What? You can't take your gun out in an elevator? What the hell's wrong with this? Oh shit. Alright, what?
Sprinklers！
Okay. Who's shooting me?
話你知啊，你實死硬啊！
Got lights on.
我等咗成個禮拜，就係等呢一嘢啊！仲得咩？打爆佢啊！佢嚟啊！我想佢嚟！我見到佢啊！開槍啊！
I'm gonna switch guns here. Don't worry, Uncle Po. We're here to save you.
Whoa, easy. 18K shut off the power.
Uncle Po is on
Of course
life
they did.
support. If we don't get backup power running right away, he won't make it.
Okay, look, there's a control station down the hall. I'm on it.
Alrighty, let's
These
do
guys
this.
are beginning to annoy me. Can we lock this place
No
up?
shit.
I'll take care of it.
I got you covered.
Trap 佢啦未？trap 佢仆街啊！打！
Come on. Come around the corner.
打低佢啊！嚟啊！
Come on.
仲等乜鳩啊？我八過佢。
Ah, shit.
打到你啲手位啊，仲唔係？你老母！
Goodbye.
我八過佢。
Pop out. Oh, shit. Huh.
打到佢個頭！
There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Overtime. Shit.
我咩都可以俾你，你俾我走得唔得啊？
Oh, good. This thing. Time to do the patented. No, not that. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, well, one's right spot. Okay, so we would do 4, 1, 5. Damn. Okay, so yay.
All right. I'm coming back.
Wait, give me a hand.
Okay, okay. I'm coming. I'm
做
coming.
低佢啊！
Ah!
兄弟，開隻！
Die, you tubby
做
bastard.
低佢啊！喂，快啲
Pop up. Whee.
More of them! Over here! I got you covered!
Ah, you're all dead. Oh shit.
Yeah！ 俾佢見識下我哋嘅，屌鳩佢！
There's no one over there somewhere. Where is he? There's no.
仲
Oh,
有
there
得
he
靠
is.
樣揾食啊！
So say the minute I popped up, I knew it was
Coming in
show up.
behind us!
Oh shit. Run. Come on. Oh shit.
話俾佢知就搞佢！快佢打！打佢！打到進台！
Where you at?
快佢打！快佢打啊！
Standing up there.
Not done yet!
我哋可以好啲嘢啊！冇運行啊！
It's clear, come on!
Thank goodness. You're trying to turn the sound off. Or the alarm off.
I think we're clear. That was close. Nice work.
No, man.
Yeah.
We just got lucky.
Where was our backup? I mean, who's looking out for us?
Fuck. No one ever looks out for you in this town. I don't know, man. Feels like the game has changed. Used to be a brotherhood. There was a code. Even amongst rival triads. Now we're killing each other at weddings. Even in a fucking hospital. And for what? Shit. Let's get out of here.
Okie doke. Alrighty then. We didn't do
More
it.
cops.
Kiddo，唔好喐！
Where We're out of here. Bye.
There's a lot of
Sorry,
them.
we're gonna mess up
I'm
your
beginning
car,
to
Mickey.
dislike.
Fuck.
Or whatever your name is. Ah, shit. Cheese it. Right now! Damn it! Where the hell did he show up from?
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm trying to get the hell out of here. That's what I'm doing.
I think we're clear now. I'm glad you showed up, Way.
I appreciate you calling me. So what's next?
It's up to Uncle Po. But I'm guessing war.
Yeah, but against
Yeah.
who? Those guys were 18K, and I'm starting to wonder. A lot of people stand to benefit if Uncle Po never leaves the hospital.
He might walk out of there alive.
I hope so. But Dog Eyes is gone, and this shit keeps happening. Might be that someone is pulling strings, trying for a move that lands him in control of the Triad.
The 18K are getting out of hand. We have to send them a message.
Yeah, we
Damn
did.
straight. Look, I'll
Later,
drop
Rick.
you here. Cops might be watching the place. Hey, Ricky, keep it tight. There aren't that many decent guys left in this gang.
All right. See you. Bye.
Not much experience for that. Don't I know where I'm going. No. Go to bed. Okay, I gotta see what this is. Yeah, this was always weird with the game. It's like, you don't know how to advance the story sometimes. You're just waiting for a mission to pop up. Apparently, in order to do that, you go to bed. That is a weird way to advance the story. Go to bed. But, yeah. This is probably some type of race, I'm gonna guess. But let's just see.
Drive much?
Yeah, I drive much. Oh, too much. Dang, it's like 1,000 years away. Holy shit. This could be a long drive. Or I could hop out. You know what? We're taking a cab. Screw this. I like the driving, but then again, I can't have the music, so hire a taxi. We are going here. Or not. Fine. We'll just go here. I could walk over. 30 bucks. 310. Well, shit. Oh, I think this. Can't remember. I'm being an idiot with that. Run faster, Way.
咁都得。
Oh, I have a feeling I know what this is, but I can't remember. It has to do with getting a car or something. Let's see. Oh. Never mind. Never mind. Not doing that. At least not right now. Okay, so now I need to find a house to go to bed. I'll mark it. Is there a cab around here? Where are you at? Where's the cab? Is there a cab I can take? Looking for a cab. Looking for a cab. Yes, I'm holding up traffic.
幾十人開片，好彩
喂，
走得快
撞多人對唔住咁講㗎。
Alright, I'll just run up here, see if there's a cab up here. What's with all the hey, cab! Stop! Stop! Don't you dare run away! Don't you dare drive away! I'm hired,
男人信一成都死啦。
I think. Huh?
我而家真係冇乜嘢啦。
Wait, what the hell? What? Okay.
我覺得幾好笑喎。
Okay, now I can't. What the hell? 3 cabs and I can't hire any of them?
行啦，老襯。
For flying. For. Oh, good God. Fine. I guess I'll drive myself.
我諗我俾人走喎。
What the hell? Unless somehow I'm on a mission. I doubt it.
You
Hi,
have a
dude.
car in here?
Give me a car.
Oh, I wish I could live your life. Just for
No,
one
you don't.
day.
No, you don't.
Let's just stay here.
你癲㗎？
Whoops. Fuck. Ah, bust up my car. God. Oh shit. Oh crap. Ah. This must be considered the long way. Ah shit. Still weird this game doesn't have a paint spray. My house on that side? Yeah, apparently it is. Okay. Hi guys. Oh no. Sure. Whoops. I don't like the looks of you.
哎呀，得了啦！咁大陣仗嘅，
Okay. They get out of the car.
小心揸車啊！
Don't mind me and my bloody clothes. I'm sure a lot of you people in here do wear this stuff. Are you serious? I gotta go to a certain house? What the hell? What in the hell? I am on a mission, apparently. Damn. Oh, hell. I didn't want to do it, damn it. I am so sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Balls and ghouls, you know, I'm so sorry we have to do this. I thought I abandoned the quest, but apparently I did not. So now we gotta drive all the way back over there. Don't know why. I know why I called it a quest. Because I've been playing an RPG lately, and that's what you do, you quest. Go on quests, not missions. That's why I couldn't take a cab. Thanks for at least helping me turn.
Oh, this.
Oops, sorry. Damn it, I don't want to do this mission. Sorry I abandoned it, but I guess not. Fuck. Hello.
Doc, what's up?
We have a problem.
What kind of problem?
Well, I designed this car for one of our wealthiest industrialists. It's a very special car.
So why do I have the feeling this story doesn't have a good ending?
It wouldn't exactly pass customs, so I had the parts shipped here separately. I figured nobody would notice.
And?
Somebody noticed. Actually, it feels like everybody noticed. The base model arrives today, and every gang in Hong Kong's out to get it.
All right, let me guess. If 18K or one of the other triads builds this car...
Catastrophe. I did take some precautions, though. I brought in a bunch of look-alike cars as decoys. Will you help me?
Of course you did.
All right, well, how do I tell the real ones from the decoys?
It's the one that doesn't blow up when you drive it.
Well, it's just great. That's just
Yeah,
fucking
that's
great,
great.
Doc.
Okay. Intercept the decoy. Alrighty. Could the camera please work, please? Thank you. Okay, so we gotta get into a car that we're trying to keep others from driving. But we're looking for the decoy. Or, wait, I think I lost myself. We're trying to intercept a car that could be potentially ours. And the way we'll know if it's real is if it doesn't blow up. Well, that's just fantastic. That's standard. Oh shit. Talk about being a guinea pig. Oh yeah. How many did you make? Yeah, I know about that.
This one's not it.
Damn it. Oh shit. Gotta hurry. Fuck. Yeah. This ain't it either.
Shit, another one?
It's probably the third one you try. And there's more than 3 here.
Come on, come on.
Damn it! Oh shit!
Oh, come on.
What the hell? Okay, I'm getting out of this thing. And we just failed. I need a car! Now don't tell me that this road is not gonna have a car on it. What the hell? Come on. Okay, we failed. We failed. But it wasn't my fault that that car did that. Don't suppose I could do this. Nope, never mind. Can't. I can't get back to the convoy. I have no car. Wait, you need to run. Come on. I knew that car wasn't going to drive very much for very much longer anyway. And I wouldn't have been able to keep up. Oh, this is just fantastic. Oh, finally a car. Give me the car. Give me your car now. Get out of the car.
你要落車啦，唔係我報警㗎。
我能追究嘅權利。
What the hell? You can't... I couldn't turn. Well, I could, but you know. Okay, let's try this again, shall we? The e-brake wasn't even working. What the hell? Come on!
This one's not it.
Here's a blow-up car.
Shit, another one?
Damn it, go. God damn it! Oh shit, I need to get in the car now. Motherfucker! I was close enough that I could have jumped, but it wouldn't let me jump.
This one's not it. Shit, another one?
Gotta say, I better not have to go through all of them. God damn it.
Come on, come on.
Damn it.
Oh, come on.
Damn it.
Where the hell is it?
It's the last car, I just know it.
Finally, damn.
Fucking God. Jesus Christ.
Sorry I put you out, Wei.
What?
I've installed a cell and radio scanner. You should be able to pick up the signals of anyone chasing you. It's a bit wonky though, so I really can't tell you what else you'll get.
Okay.
The next version will have all leather in here.
So why not ship the car all at once?
Import restrictions. Technically, we're not supposed to send this to China.
Well, we're not in China. We're in Hong Kong.
You want to make that point to the U.S. State Department? Also, Special Branch doesn't want the mainland to know.
Wait a minute. You guys are worried about China? I thought the point was...
Theoretically, they leave us alone. But if they like the car enough, who knows? Best if nobody knows we have it. Or if they do know, they can claim that they don't. That way, everybody saves face. We get our car, nobody else gets embarrassed. This is the Hong Kong way. You should know that by now. Long as it never hits the papers, we can act as if we're independent. But if it starts to look like we're independent...
Alright, I get it.
Okay, that's just weird, made me stop for that. Here's your fucking car. Oh, okay, I guess we can continue driving. Okay. Well, we'll just do that then. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not. We're going to bed. And actually, I think you do maybe like another mission like that, but the next time you'll have some special guns on the car. Whoops. See, with the car being so special, you'd think it would be indestructible. Okay, what apartment am I going to? Well, I could have just got out and took a cab, but you know, we're in this nice car, might as well at least drive it. Oops, sorry, dude. Oh, I have no headlights, so everybody should watch out. Ow. Oh, we're going to this one. There we go. Now we go to bed. And now we go to bed. Sleep. It didn't pop up, but I guess I gotta be on a certain side of the bed. No bad dreams their way? Okay. Not ping. Okay. Okay. New glow. What's the... You got a message, apparently. Not that. No. What was the thing from not paying? What, like a date or something? Let's see, what's new glow though? Where is it? New glow. I don't think I'm gonna do it though. Where's that thing? Oh wait, I think it's it's a orange car icon. I think. Where is it? It is of. I got an idea. There, now I can find it. No. We are doing this mission. We're going to advance in the gang. I don't know what the not ping was, but something interrupted it. And we'll just get back to this. Wish you could fix cars, as I said. Oh, oops, sorry. We'll be losing the car anyway, so. Move over. Over here, okay. Okay, I already got statues over here. So. Alrighty.
Well, well, well. Look who decided to join us.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
Come on in.
You sure you don't want to fuck her a little before you start? It's no problem at all. I'll just have a swing by your hotel on the way to the studio.
Nah, man, I'm good. We could do a photo shoot or whatever, and look, I'm sure it'd be fun and all, but that's not why I'm here, dude.
Ah, you don't know what you're missing. This baby will fuck you in a way your wife never could.
Sonny, this is Wei. Wei? The infamous Sonny Wo.
That's me. Infamous and notorious. Glad you could come by. Ricky's told me all about you. This is King.
What's good?
He's producing Vivian Liu's next big hit.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot, man.
Wei here's the real deal. A bona fide tried killer from the streets. Cleavers, guns, castrations, whatever you want.
Okay.
Wei, why don't you take King out on the town and show him around?
Yeah, anytime.
It's like one big playground, man. Nothing's off limits. You want to pick up some girls, get nasty, done. And with Wei, no one will bother you. Nobody fucks with Sun On Yee.
Yeah, I mean, actually, that sounds alright. If you don't mind showing me around.
Yeah, sure. I wish I could go with you players, but business calls.
Alright, cool, man. Yo, it was real nice to meet you, Sonny. Streets.
Let's do it. Ricky, listen to this. I've been thinking. We need to get her a movie role of some sort.
Hey,
Alrighty.
I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town,
Oh
man.
boy. Just no karaoke,
So you
please.
producing for Sonny?
Yeah, just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
Hey, he's a fucking clown, you ask me.
Yeah, you can say that again.
I'm glad you said
Damn
it
it.
first.
But he does good business, makes everyone a lot of money. But as far as his personality goes,
Huh? Good to know we're on the same page. Fact is, I got some other business to discuss. But I don't think my partners back in the States will want to be in bed with that guy.
what kind of business?
I got friends, guys I grew up with. They got a real good import and retail thing going. Yeah, but they could use a good Hong Kong angle. Access to that good Asian product, you feel me? You see, the reason I took the producing gig was I heard Vivian and her label had connections.
Well, they are. To me.
Ah, well then. I guess this is gonna be like one of them old school business meetings. Where you show me around town and you try to figure out if we're a good fit.
Pretty much. This car is slow. I don't think there's any karaoke in this mission, but I could be wrong. That's fast. Wasn't even there yet.
Here we are, man. K-Bar.
If there is, then I'll have to cut it out.
Good evening, gentlemen.
We'd like the VIP karaoke room.
It's right this way.
Damn it.
去咗邊度發財啊？咁耐唔見。
你老母生咗你咁
Yo, hold up. And don't tell me you and me are gonna sing to each other. I mean, I'm here for the local flavor, but not that local.
Let me find us the right kind of audience.
Oh, hey, look, it's statue that apparently I did not grab.
唉，而家生意難撈
Boing.
啊！
Hey, could you move?
係咁啦，而家老細
Thank you.
我對唔住啊！
Okay, let me go get a girl. Yeah, she's dancing by herself. You usually don't mess with that.
Hey there. What's your name?
Katushka!
I'm Wei.
Katushka.
So listen, I saw you looking at my friend, and I figured you realize he's a famous American celebrity. And I just wanted to ask if you mind keeping it a secret.
Ooh, how can I say no?
Or if you're not doing anything, maybe I can buy you silence with a drink. Want to join us?
That's very nice of you.
So you're from Russia?
Yes. How'd you guess?
Ah, call it a hunch.
Duh.
Oh, you.
It's fun watching all these dancing people that are dancing to no music. Could you people move? Okay, what the hell? How much? Okay, thank you. Jeez. Da 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 da. Thought I'd add my own music. Wait, what the hell? Wait, is it back here or did I go somewhere wrong? Yeah, I did. Oops. Or I went around apparently. Hope this door opens. No, it doesn't. God damn it. I'll be right with you there, dude. Apparently I went the wrong way. Yeah, I'm pretty sure at this moment she would get off, she would leave. And now that I'm thinking about it, looking at it, Wei is undercover, but I wonder how many tattoos he already had before he did this. Or did he get the tattoos for this job? Because that's some dedication. Hey, good dude.
Here, have a seat. I'm gonna find a few more people to join us.
I can't play very good music, but it sounds better with somebody.
Hello, ladies.
Hey, Mr. VIP! Want to buy us girls a drink?
Sure.
I don't know. My friend and I gonna enjoy your company?
Try us on and see what you get.
All right. Why don't you join my
Okay.
friend in there? I'll be in a second.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I make a lot of money.
Look at her go. Look at her go.
How about you and I go?
You okay, miss?
Wait,
Uh-oh.
look, guy, that's my girl. So why don't you fuck off?
I'm son on ye, motherfucker.
Ye
Now
motherfucker.
get out of here before I break every bone in your body.
Oh man, no.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't know who you were.
Guy seemed
Okay.
like he was getting a little pushy.
We get that a lot.
You work here?
Yes.
So, you allowed to join the customers for a drink?
Oh, that sounds nice.
By the way, I'm Wei.
I don't think I've seen you here before. I'm
Wait, she
Ileana.
works here?
Yeah,
Okay.
you know, I usually don't come to places like this. I'm here for my friend.
Well, if you ever want to hang out at places not like this, let me know.
I'd like that. Can I call you?
Will do.
Sounds good. Thanks. Give me a call sometime.
No, we will. Take a seat. Okay.
而家揾工人真係好難。
Damn, Way.
Okay.
Who knew Hong Kong was full of such beautiful women?
Friendly too.
How do you not know Hong Kong have beautiful girls? You just had to come to the right place.
Well, I expect you girls to make sure King never makes that mistake again.
Yeah.
You can count on us, baby. We love American men. Don't we, Tina?
All right, Wei. Why don't you show us what you got?
Come on, Wei.
Oh, crap.
Let's see those lungs.
I'll show you mine if you show me yours.
Well, I'll probably be cutting this out, so I'll see you in a bit.
Ni hao. 我真係，我冇聽講過喎。正所謂男人即係男人啊嘛。真定假㗎？
我等咗6分鐘火車啊！
唔係啊嘛，咁都有嘅。頭2年呢就係愛情，之後嘅就係感情㗎啦。Oh wow, he looks so cool！今日傾住咁多先啦。
Oh, yeah. Bring it, baby.
You really have charisma！
頂真係冇天理啊！喂，多謝晒你喎。點解80後就要俾人標籤做嬌生慣養啫？
The hits just keep coming. Keep it going.
See you。
All right, we're back. Turns out there wasn't even any music playing at all, so maybe you will still be in.
Hey, wait! Hey, come get a picture of this, will you?
Okay.
Wei here has been promising me a taste of Hong Kong.
I'll give you a taste.
You know what?
Zoom in. Or not.
Oh, yeah. Bring it, baby. Come on, let's bounce. You know what? You give good tourists, Wei.
Well, it's my town, least I can do.
Yo, Wei.
Yeah.
Don't think I'll forget that, man. Come on, my people will like you, huh? You got the right feel. Too many motherfuckers think all you gotta do is jump bad and wear the right colors. Nah, business is a business. You feel me? You gotta be in it with the right people. Yeah, I can see you fitting right in the States even. Yeah. If you ever want to change the scenery.
I'll keep that in mind.
What gift you writing go around smashing into people? You dick!
There you are.
I've been waiting for you, a stable
Okay,
guy.
we'll get over
Stand
here.
back.
Come on.
Stand back. You crazy? This is icing on the fucking cake.
All right, come on.
細路驚啊，走先啦！嚟啊，要陣！我咁幫你搞錯，
Oh shit,
到
no
你
you
啊！等我話你知咩叫眼
Bring it, asshole.
Huh. Come on. Huh. Nice try. Huh.
Damn. That's some nasty ass shit you got going on. Remind
Didn't
me
get
not to
hit
fuck
once.
with you.
Nice. Get in the car.
Thanks for calling. 喺公司做嘢都做得幾好喎，我希望
Back in this slow ass car.
Alright, so listen, man. I'm going back in a week or so, alright? I'll tell my boys I got the man form.
Alright.
They'll want to start slow, but I'm guessing they can move as much product as you can ship. Well, this could be huge, man. These boys got some big ideas, too. I'm talking all the legit shit their money goes into.
Why
Gotta go
exactly do
somewhere.
we go through a
You feel
police
me?
station?
The feds back home are really cracking down. Brothers might be looking for a little offshore stash. Yeah. And the man who set that up and kept it safe, yeah, he'd have a whole river of green to deal with. You feel me?
Well, I could swing that for you. I still got contacts stateside who could set up the other side of things.
Mm-hmm, hell yeah.
Yo, you ever work in movies, Wei?
Nah, too much bullshit. I mean, look at Sonny Woe.
Nah, man. Come on, that's what's good about it.
Everybody's a fucking moron. You come in with muscle and money, and you too can call the shots.
You got a point.
Well, bust up the car. There we go.
All right, here you go.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Really. It's real cool to meet you. We'll see you around.
Yeah, for sure. Hopefully first night of many.
Well then. Looks like this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
All right, man. Take care.
How many experience did we get? Probably not a lot. Dad didn't even level up the Cryad. God damn it. Okay, next mission is, well, we're going to actually return a statue. Next time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Wait, you start from checkpoint. What? We not done? It's just weird. Oh, okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We will be back next time, and we will return Jade's statue and hopefully do more with Sonny Woe, the asshole. So if you could, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and it would really help the channel out. And until then, I'll see you later. Later, guys.